Gracias. All right, pull this closer. See. Thank you. I know, I have to take pictures on the iPad. Yo, chat was. What's going on here? Hello? Can you guys hear me now? Good? Yes? I see it. I see it moving now. Good? All right, sweet. Let's see if I can put my AirPods in and it still works. Is it working now still? We're good? All right. Cool. Yep. So basically a rundown as to what happened yesterday. So yesterday, I didn't get home until 6 a.m. And then prior, I fell into a pool fully clothed. Broke my phone. Then I had to go to a shop in the middle of Tulum, and then I had to give them my phone, and it's there right now. And they're trying to fix it. Water damage. Like, I literally can't do anything, which sucks. But it is what it is. What?
T-Flow. Breakfast is served.
We're going to figure it out. I need to put this link into the Discord so that everybody's here.
All right, we're playing Vegas.
But did you guys catch any trades today? It's the day before NFP, so it's not as explosive. We don't have any crazy expansion for the day. But the only Dodgy, we are not speaking because I could literally we have a 5-minute, one singular candle that did the entire move and is chopping for the rest of the session. And I wanted you to know, everyone on my stream from Tuesday and my Discord was clowning the fuck out of you because of how emotional you were yesterday.
Bro, this trade is like an 8-hour. Dude, this trade was an
Brother, you cannot speak to me after Tuesday. You like literally.
This is my second live trade of the week, bro. I'm 2 for 2 this week.
Bro, you have no room to stand at all. No room to stand. But ES is climbing, inching to Asia highs. That should be a draw. That should be where she should go to today at minimum. Bro, can you not do that? Like, I'm literally streaming on YouTube, you inconsiderate fuck. I genuinely hate this kid. Oh my god, I actually hate this kid. Probably one of the most inconsiderate people you'll ever meet in your entire life. It's so annoying. If I press him, he actually might shit his pants. No trade today. Higher time frame view on indices. Let's go over this really quick. We have. Turn it off. I'm live on YouTube. You're so inconsiderate. It's actually insane. I want to drown this kid. Actually, speaking of somebody that said something on gold and silver are priming for a long move. We have the daily gap here. The only issue is with this daily gap is that there's no SMT within the daily gap, but the silver relative equal highs that we have as a future draw is like beautiful. Like absolutely beautiful. And it would even be better. It would be a great thing if the 4-hour time frame, even on silver here, we sweep out here, we close above this 6 a.m. 4-hour candle here, and then we trade through. We respect this as an order block, trade through this 4-hour bearish gap, and then that's just like the initiation and start of our market maker buy model to these resting highs.
All right, see you guys.
Would be very, very nice. And there's an SMT.
You spend 9 Apex. And I'll see you later. Peace.
That sweep, this SMT,
Man, what a day, bro.
this SMT, this sweep.
Yo, Pete, breakfast.
That's fire. Yeah, probably like, I mean, if we pump from that daily gap tomorrow, then it'll be difficult because there's no SMT on the daily.
So the place is 6.9 miles away, 20-minute drive. So Barnes? Mm-hmm. Everything's fine.
Yeah, no SMT, no trade though. But it doesn't mean that you don't have to not watch it. Pay attention to the structure behind how it's moving. Because you could also look for a trade based off of the 4-hour or the hourly for an intraday move. You know? You could always do that. I still can't believe ES hasn't ran Asia highs. If this daily gap gets closed off, we could see NQ down to 264. From NFP tomorrow. This is the only thing that actually just pisses me off, though. Relative equal highs at all-time highs. Yeah, I see it. That's why I wanted Asia highs on ES. This was my draw today. See this here? That was my draw. But the only move that dished was 9:30 open. And then post 9:30 open, once we like kind of cleared out of this consolidation, we swept this low. We had SMT at these lows. Like it was like this. SMT, sweep. This 5-minute OB. Here. Not that. This. That 5-minute OB. Tag, pop, but then leaving behind this was pretty surprising to me.
Dude, keep it last night. You go, dude, yes, left equal highs. We're like, it's going to leave them.
Probably leave him for tomorrow.
Yeah.
But I also won't know what we're going to do if we inverse the daily gap on NQ. I still think that ES goes here. And we're still within this 15-minute gap. This is just obviously doing a lot of wrecking bullshit. What's up, bro?
Dude, how does TGR get destroyed every day?
I don't know how he trades. He trades in a weird way, bro. Please send signal and broke. Long ES to all the Asia highs. This is so ugly. You broke. I'll be very surprised if we inverse this 15. We are barcoding. I could scan this and get a coupon at the supermarket. What's up, bro? Yeah, gold is so clear. There's just no SMT. It's the only thing that sucks right now. Like literally the only thing that sucks. I guarantee that I'll offer a good trade tomorrow, though. I mean, a bad day just because you took a loss technically isn't a bad day. You know? Gold is not golding. Gold is not golding, my man. As long as you took trades that follow your entry model criteria and you're not over leveraging and over risking, you're fine. But we just inverse that 15-minute gap, by the way, on ES. YM for longs was realistically the only thing to take today.
Well, I'm trying to pick up the Charlotte. I just texted her. If she's flying home today, then I don't have to fly back tomorrow because I don't have anything to do.
Yeah, no, I took a loss today too.
I mean, what else
One and done.
I could go somewhere else. It's like,
It's all good though. NQ shorts at the open. Gave out the moonshot. Or sorry, gave out the death candle. And then I really did think that ES was going to go to the highs. YM, a couple people in my Discord actually caught this. If you go look at YM, actually, let me do this. This is better. All right. It's crazy how we literally annihilated that low resistance liquidity on RTY. That hourly candle was nuts. So on RTY and YM.
I think so. Let me see if he's eating.
Yeah, get him, bro. There's no way he's still on the phone. So we had this 4 hour, I believe, SMT between RTY and YM. See how YM ran all these lows, RTY did not. There was a 5-minute breaker that like actually was clean, but you would have had to be in it like literally the first 5-minute candle after the open, which if you didn't get in on that tag, you would have been completely messed. This 5-minute breaker here.
Dude, he's just sitting in bed like.
I think he's on the phone, dude. He's on the phone. Yeah, like this here was stupid. Closer at 9:30.
Yeah, I'm done.
Boom.
Yeah, I want. Yeah, I want one more. Yeah.
9:35. Pop.
That's the reality. Dog. What? Like.
Yes, that's terrifying.
It's not all it's cut out to be.
No.
If I don't get any type of nicotine in my body in the next 5 minutes, I'm like, fucking this thing.
Just use the toaster. That's what I resorted to last night. I was ripping through everything trying to find the lighter. Huh? Oh, yeah, I know. No, I don't think so. I hope not. Bring the toaster. Oh, yeah. Oh, I wanted to show you guys this. Look at this setup on Bitcoin. Look at this setup on Bitcoin, guys. I already sent this in my Discord. Yeah. The last pillow. Yeah, that would have been karma for talking shit. I would have laughed if he didn't hit his head. But yo, guys, this is crazy. So look at this. SMT inside of a monthly gap on Bitcoin. We inverse this monthly gap. Only thing that's in way of like holding it for higher prices is this monthly gap on ETH. But I think that now, since Bitcoin ran previous monthly high, we failed to on Ethereum. This should be the sentiment where we die now. And we have the daily, we literally have a monthly to daily forever model on Bitcoin that's tagged today, closing below this daily candle from January 5th and tagging it today. If we can start bleeding through this, this is when we run through all of these lows. And same, like, look at ETH. ETH looks so primed, bro. ETH looks so primed. All this looks like low resistance liquidity. They get killed. This is what I wanted at the beginning of the year, or like before the start of the new year, because I had this short here on Bitcoin from this daily, right here, this daily order block. I had this short here, and it played. It was working, and like we shorted, we went down lower, 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 and then we reversed from here. And I thought that we were gonna at minimum take this out, but we reversed, chopped around, and then now we had the opening of the year. What is the opening of the year doing? We're doing a potential open, high, low close for maybe continue a bearish sentiment. But this looks so good, though. I think this looks so good. I think this looks so good for Bitcoin short. Gold looks good too for long. The only thing that's problem here with gold is the fact that we have a lack of this SMT on our daily time frame. Like, you guys see this, right? Daily time frame, we are inside of this daily gap. We have this daily gap on silver, but like it's not giving the criteria for a daily to a 1 hour setup. But if you wanted to take a setup from a 4 hourly time frame, so be it. I still think that gold and silver go to all-time highs. NQ view, brother. NQ is not doing anything, and look at ES too. NQ hasn't done a move since the open. Same thing with ES.
All right, I'm gonna get ready, and then we'll.
I need to work out.
All right, work out.
All we've been doing is consolidating since that 9:30 move. Same thing with ES. But this is like, if you guys are still trying to trade this right now, this is a recipe for disaster for you to blow your accounts. So don't make any irrational decisions just because you feel like you need to get a trade off. I'll be very, very careful and cautious. Oh, I'm posting the pictures of us from Kind today.
I am too. I kind of want to go to the water hole though first. I want to go get your picture at the water hole.
Yeah, I know, but I'm doing Kind music, and then I'm going to do a picture of the entire trip. So I'm going to post 2 times. How you doing, brother? What is happening? What is happening? YM and RTY really were the only directional pieces. Well, YM is so crazy. This thing went berserk today. Like this daily candle. Pop from that daily gap. SMT on the daily. And I believe that's like a little kiss on yeah, that is actually. Was this a daily to 1 hour? Was there an hourly execution here? This would be a trend line breakout trade. A target for the Dow Jones tomorrow could literally be the all-time highs. Especially after this daily candle. Damn. Like we can get something like this. Depending on how this daily candle closes, if we could retrace into like some hourly gaps or some 4-hour gaps. Smart money reversal down here, and then just have a accumulation stage of the market maker buy model. We do have this hourly inverse too. Is he eating?
No idea.
Is he on the phone?
He's texting.
Dude, what is happening?
I feel like people who took that long.
I would keep you guys have a keen eye on YM, because that's going to be my hot topic for tomorrow. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, NQ looks bearish, but the Dow looks bullish.
Dude, meet yourself. Dude, you just like yap shit for Blue Guardian.
Yes. He does not. How do you use?
Are we doing breakfast tomorrow?
It's up to you guys.
We leave. Salir. Okay, perfect. But what time?
I leave at 1:30. When do you leave?
No. Salir.
Well, actually, no. I depart at 1:30, bro.
Okay.
I depart at 1:30, so I gotta be like at the airport like decently early. I probably gotta be at the airport by like 11:30, the latest.
So we have to leave here like at 10:30.
Yeah.
9. Mañana. Perfecto.
Mismo destino, igual.
Sí, yeah. Perfecto.
Why did you just say, "Hey, Justin"? Someone in my chat just called me Justin. I'm assuming they said Justin Moreland.
Yo, guys, he stole the forever model from Justin.
Look at this.
What? Hey, Justin Orland.
Like what?
What train are you guys in?
And then he corrected himself.
What train are you guys in right now?
Pre-NFP, lack of correlation. My friend went long and short at the same time and got stopped out on.
No way.
What?
Yo, do you guys actually? I'm gonna give you some free sauce right now.
Go.
Type 1 if you want some free sauce. It has nothing to do with my trading strategy.
Yo, eat the fruit.
I will. All right, can we get some ones if you guys want some free sauce right now?
Oh, this pineapple's so good.
All right, listen. If you want to be profitable long term, I don't care.
Make it serious.
I don't care what you trade. I don't care what I know I am.
Mhm.
I don't care what you trade. I don't care how you trade. One max 2 ticks Okay, one ticker, max 2, one model, one setup. Try to trade within the same 2-hour time window every single day. 3 years, that can change your life. Okay, that's all. You agree?
I agree. I put that in a tweet,
Yeah.
and now they're typing 6-7.
I actually know a guy who doesn't do social media who does that, and I think he makes like 2-3 mil a year. And sometimes he only trades like two times a week. But he also trades heavy size.
Gotcha. But
Also, wait, one more thing. You know how like gold and silver have been moving crazy? A lot of people are getting FOMO. They're like, oh, look at silver. It's moving insane. And they'll be trading NQ for years. Then all of a sudden they'll try trading silver, even though they don't know the personality of it. Do not do that. Do not get caught into that FOMO. I know it seems fun to try to trade silver when it's doing well, but bro, do not try to stick with one ticker. Okay. It's just like a hype thing. And silver's probably going to make its move and then it's going to go bad again. And then when it goes bad again, you're going to blow your accounts because you don't trade it. NQ will always be the most consistent, or yes, or wham. Whichever one you prefer, I don't care. Let's trade that one. All right. That's it.
yes. Yes, yes, yes. As easy as it could be. Thank you.
Wait, what's
Mm-hmm.
yo? What's we go out? Nosotros salemos.
Abierto?
Ustedes viajan.
No, it's closed.
No, what's we go out? To go out is salir.
Guys, how do you say abierto is closed? Matt, I'm confused about when to go to lower time frame when comparing SMTs to new bullish SMTs between Bitcoin and ETH, assuming because the 4-hour didn't shift bullish yet. We took SMT. So in regards to, so you're talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum. All right. So basically how you should be like understanding when to drop to lower time frames is understanding the order flow. So based off of like how we've been trading from October, November, what has these 2 months primarily November, what has that month done? Even if you look at the past couple of months on Ethereum, how have we been reacting? How have we been trading? We've been trading in expansion mode. Expansion mode, what comes after expansion? Consolidation. And then after consolidation comes expansion again. We are now accumulating price after a massive expansion. And what we're looking to do is, where is price trading, or what is the most obvious draw on liquidity, or where could we potentially be looking to anticipate price to go to next? A relevant low, because we're not reversing from a key level at this point. We're not reversing from an external range liquidity pool. We're not reversing. Simple stuff. So monthly key level, go to a daily for a reaction from that monthly fair value gap. Now that monthly fair value gap, this is the tag of that gap on the 5th on Monday. Then you can see on Wednesday, we closed below that candle that ran the short-term high, tagging that monthly gap. Then we have the tag of that order block today. Now we are anticipating price to trade lower. Now, in order for us to go from lower between daily to like hourly and 4-hour, we would like to see price create some sort of SMT on our daily time frame, like an SMT at the previous daily high, SMT within a daily fair value gap, some sort of nature like that. So that's kind of what you would want to do or how you would want to frame anything from a lower time frame, as long as you are staying in tune and in sync with higher time frame order flow. If that's all checked off, if that's cleared up, then you're good and ready to go. Just you want to make sure if you have like multiple ties in of a higher time frame, then the more the better. Literally, the more the better. That'll gain you more confidence in your trade executions from a lower time frame because you know that you're in sync with higher time frame order flow. That is the true game. That is the true game. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that. Gracias. That is the game. Thank you. NQ 4-hour OB to M5 inverse entry. What do you think? M5 OB where? We're getting killed right now on NQ, bro. Like this is not giving what we needed to give. Oh, 4-hour. Well, I can't frame a trade from a 4-hour order block. I need to frame trades from an external range liquidity pool, or I need to frame trades from a internal range liquidity pool. But based off of how this 10 a.m. 4-hour candle traded, I feel like the next point of interest is this resting low here at 527.
Holy shit on my head.
What?
Holy shit on my head.
Yeah, it's clear now, right?
Ooh, fuck me, man. It was overdue and honestly rocked me.
Fire.
Are we pumping?
No, we're actually not.
No.
Gold's pumping. Gold actually is doing really.
I opened an M&Q long like an hour ago.
Yeah, it's
Oh, it's definitely fucking.
Yeah, it's getting shafted.
This little fucking half rate. Well, it's sort of bouncing.
Depending on where your stop is, it's.
My hammer looks good though. I don't have a stop. I'm in evals, dude. I'm sorry.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Okay, well that hammer's promising. On the 5-minute, maybe. We'll see.
Oh shit! It didn't even take out the low from 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's coming back.
I still think that ES goes to Asia highs.
It's coming back. Yeah, then we're good. Tomorrow. Thank you.
Tomorrow. Gracias. All right. Yeah. Damn, this is moving so fucking slow. Holy shit.
Oh god. Not good.
Damn, gold is moving. This was a banger actually at the fucking.
Yeah, so, there's a long here. Holy. Yo, 1 minute long or 2 minute long. See it?
Yeah.
God, I can't get over how this chart looks, dude. Yeah. Speaking of shoulders, I have to hit shoulders today. Some delts. Is ES within a 30-minute gap? No, it's not. YM moved so smooth.
All right, go break even here for the 2 minute now.
I don't have a 2-minute chart. But I do want longs. I want ES to go to Asia highs so bad.
Well, you just missed the entry.
ES should go. Holy. Every one of them I know. Can this thing move? Go, go, go. I'm taking away YM for now. This thing has been taken.
You know, my first TP is going to be.
Are you on NQ?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm looking at ES, but same thing. ES has relative equal highs at 66 and then relative equal highs at 68.75. But I'm assuming you're just looking to target. You should target this 30-minute unmitigated gap. That's what you should target. 713. Bro, they're asking me to show my body.
Show your body?
Yes.
Do it.
No.
I'll show them. Ask them if they want to see mine.
You guys want to see dodgies? You guys want to see dodgy? No, my.
What do we think? A+ setup?
Guys, is he mogging?
Dude, I've. Okay, who is a better build, me or Matt?
I don't know, man.
Bruh. You're biased.
Mogged. All right, it's moving. ES should rip through these highs. How many more times are going to run short-term lows after that sweeper? Damn, RTY is on one, bro. Holy shit. Damn. It goes for an hour, bro. You top ticked NQ? Oh, so you're short. You're short. I trade FX, but I want to trade futures. How much equity do you need for a small personal? So, I mean, I wouldn't recommend you load up a personal account or a live account first. I personally don't believe that you should do that. I think that you should rely on prop firm trading, trade prop firms, use the capital that you make from the prop firm payouts, and then fund your personal account through that way. But then don't fund the personal account until you're consistent with the payouts. Like use your initial first payout or multiple to invest into more prop firm evaluations. And then once you are making money consistently month over month and you feel confident in your setup, that is when you should migrate and start considering loading up a personal account. Oh, dude, these flies on the fruit, bro. What did you say about MLL on Funded Next? What's MLL? Oh, I mean, if you're ready to go right into a live account, then fuck it, do it. Realistically, you could start I mean, if you wanted to open up an app account, you could open up an account with like $1,000. But I would recommend like 5K. $5K start off. Yeah, but I don't really do I mean the spreads it's really not that bad. Not as bad as people like say it to be. Like it's not something that you could legitimately complain about, honestly. What are you talking about? Are you saying Funded Next? No, I was reading someone's question. And I have no idea what MLL means. I wasn't talking about the firm. I was talking about the question that he asked or reading it. But I would always recommend, especially if you're a beginner on futures, one, I mean, I have my things that I say about Project X and their platform. It's not the best platform, but it's definitely the easiest to navigate as a beginner for futures trading. So if you were to try out an account, I would try an account with Blue Guardian, with Project X. If you use the code YouTube, you get 60% off from the account. And it's like clicking and dragging in regards to your top stop loss, take profit. So you know exactly how much you're risking on every single trade that you take. But Project X is a mess. I will recommend you guys do Tradeovate. But before you use Tradeovate, you're probably going to look like it. You're going to open it up and it's going to look like you're navigating, like you're in the cockpit of an airplane. No, I use Tradecopia. That's my copier. And also Tradeovate also has a built-in copier. But if I had to give you guys any recommendations, I would do Tradeovate accounts. Always Tradeovate. Project X is an absolute mess. Project X is easy, but they're the shittiest platform ever created. ever created. And it's not Tradeovate is it looks crazy. All you need to do is look up a couple videos. Look up a couple videos and you'll get the hang of it. It's not hard at all.
Dude, I try looking at videos and I feel my account.
Shut up. You can agree that Project X is horrible.
Yeah.
You guys should be trading on Tradeovate. Yeah. I'm not going to say it, but yeah. Bottom step, dude. What's that owner? Michael Paddock?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck that guy. Their platform is so bad. Well, you can trade on TradingView through Tradeovate. Like, you just click your broker. Trading panel, Tradeovate right here. And then you'll be able to actually like make orders and stuff and then see your risk. I don't trade on TradingView though. I make all my executions on Tradeovate. And I just calculate the risk myself. It really doesn't it's not rocket science. Like I failed pre-calc 4 fucking times and yet I could still calculate the risk in my head. I hate to get into this, but did from Trump like capturing the Venezuelan president, isn't that a good thing? Like I heard that's like people from Venezuela that live in Venezuela, they are very happy about this. Like this is a good thing. No? Yes, you can connect Tradeovate to TradingView. So it's not a good thing, Tevin. Damn, I can't believe we didn't run those Asia highs. We ran the relative equal highs on ES though. Holy. Wow. So it's not a good thing. They lost currency value. Oh, okay. I'm seeing a lot of mixed things. I'm seeing that people love. I see all over social media people that are from like people celebrating in the streets because he took them. Venezuela has the largest crude oil reserves despite expensive equipment and manufacture. True. Oh. Gideon, there's smaller sized accounts. Is there than 50K? But honestly, if I had to give any recommendation, I would say 50K accounts start up 100% all the time. Start up with a 50K account, test the waters, see how you do, and then move from there. Yeah, that's absolutely horrifying. Oh shit, 11:55. Time to do the giveaway.
Let's go.
Time to do the
Wait,
giveaway.
can I enter?
Yeah, if you join the YouTube chat. I literally just think of a word, I say it, and then they have to type it, and I pick two people.
What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today we are going to be doing a trade recap and how I made a ton of money today. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Yes, motherfucker.
So, today, for this week actually, I have been looking for these equal lows that we left last Tuesday. Okay.
I know.
All week. So you can see.
All right. Today's word. Let's do this shit.
So you went at 12, right?
Huh?
You went at 12.
Yes, 12.
Did not get a key store.
Bro.
Here, I'll
Sorry. All right. Yo. Yo. Just tell. He's coming out. Yeah, tell him that they got to clean the room. I will be. I just said tell him that they got to clean the room. All right. So the word is going to be dropped. Well, I have to wait a couple minutes. The word's going to be dropped in 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's shoulders because I have to hit shoulders right after this stream and workout. It's shoulders. Boom, boom, boom. All right. 1, RCB 8419. 2, Maddox 0118. There you guys go. Gideon, those are the winners that I tagged right there. RCB 8419 and Maddox 018. Open up a ticket in the Blue Guardian Futures Discord, and they will take care of you. They will give you your account and issue it for you. And now, keeping you guys letting you know, today is Thursday. I will be back home on tomorrow night. So I will be able to be active, aggressive on the streams. I'm also going to be streaming on YouTube Mondays and Fridays on my account too. So that will be cool to do as well. I apologize again about my absence yesterday. It's been pretty hectic in regards to just being away from my home station and adapting to the change and not being able to give the attention that I need. So again, I apologize again for being gone, but next week will be a full strong week after the getting the groove back in and getting the rust off of the wheels. So I'm excited. And for today and the remainder of the day, I would expect Asia highs to be gone on ES, and I expect at least that 30-minute gap to be tagged on NQ. So don't do anything really stupid. Honestly, if you already took your trades, let's say you took losses, get off of the charts. If you took wins, be done for the day, and then see what happens after NFP tomorrow. So be safe, everybody. Have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you guys all on Tuesday. So, deuces, everyone. Good luck, good trading.